Beauties, it's Jean Bersani with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I'm doing so many unboxings right now because you guys know I was away for a while, so let's go ahead. Look what I got. We've got our Grove box, so we're gonna unbox that and we'll see what all we've got. So this time we're getting into the spring. So they gave us this little Grove Collaborative Springtime little catalog. And I don't know, if you're like me, I like to actually look on here rather than like zooming through. So let's go. We've got you guys, sometimes you guys know a little bit more about me than you need to, but I wanted to try these. These are healthier by nature. They are girl products there. So we're gonna be trying these little guys out. Plastic free, perfume free, and chlorine free. So we'll try these. A lot of this is just trial and error. Got another one of these great little scrubbers. I just love the walnut heads. So, very nice. I'm looking at my old one. The other one has a regular scrubber head, but that one has the walnut sponge. Of course, now I do love these guys, especially since they are the same price as when you would buy them at the store. They're just little ultra soft tissues, and it's sustainable bamboo and sugar cane. It's 100%. So got those, and then let's see what we've got here. I love that I have short-term memory because I never know what I'm gonna get. Every time I'm like, oh yeah, look at that. So this one says, oh, this is a new floor cleaner. So I do the anti-ants, I believe is what it's called. Floor cleaner, and it's like vinegar and water. But this says Rage Against the Clean. And for some reason, it's a probiotic cleaning tonic, non-toxic concentrate. And I believe, oh, this is the lemongrass scent. So there you go. This is what it looks like. And I think what got me is it says that it doesn't get rid of the beneficial bacteria. It gets rid of the bad ones. So I said, okay, well, let's see. And then always and forever, I love the lemon verbena. You guys have heard me say that over and over again. And then they tape these down so that it doesn't spill. And I appreciate that until it comes time to take these off sometimes. So there we go. This is the dish soap. I love the lemon verbena. It always smells so good. And it makes my house smell like so lemony. I have the candle. I have everything. I have the room spray. I have the, what else do I have? I have the wash. So just tons of stuff. Always the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. You guys, they often give these free, very often. So when you get this, you know, it's nice because you can just toss it knowing that it's going to, let me see. It's made from renewable plant materials, and it comes in the 2-pack. And you know that you're going to get another one next order or a couple orders down the road when they give them for free often. Let's go ahead. A lot of this stuff is the renewable. This one is the glass hand soap bottle. So, ooh. I have one of these already, but it has the rubber at the bottom. And this one is just straight glass there. So I love Grove because they have such good products, and they do a lot of their sustainable stuff. Like these guys here. These are reusable sandwich bags. We've got 2 reusable bags there. So if you saw my Dollar Tree, you'll have seen that I am doing some food prep work. So this will be really nice, and they're really thick. So I think they can be put in the dishwasher. For best results, hand wash with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly, or they are top rack dishwasher safe on low heat setting. So there's those. What else do we have in here? Oh, 2 more items. So I got that hand soap, you guys. Oh look, I didn't even see that cute little, can you see it on there? That cute little leaf. And then this whole bag of hand soap. So this is the lemon, eucalyptus, and mint. We're gonna open it and smell it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it smells like a spa. It's really clean. So this says free of harsh chemicals, aloe vera to keep your hands moisturized. It says how to use. Open the glass pump, twist off the cap, and pour this in. So can't wait to try that. And then this, you guys, guess what's in here? Guess. Comes with its own little case. But what they are, I don't know about you, I use straws all the time. All the time. So I'm going to push this through. Actually, I'm going to just take this off because it's holding me up here. And they come in this little guy, and then I think, is there 5 of them in here? They are bamboo straws. So 2, 4, 6. And it also comes with a cleaner, so you could stick that in there and clean your reusable bamboo straws. Oh, there we go. Whew. That was the smallest one. So the larger one, it'll go in there really nice and easy. But these are nice because I use these on my plastic straws as well. But they had bamboo straws, and I said, okay, I'll give it a try. And then look at all of these different sizes. I mean, they have your little teeny tiny ones, and then like big huge ones like you'd get at Boba, and then a little larger size like you'd get at McDonald's. So there we go. I'll let you know if they don't work, because we'll see. But I know I'm still, I mean, if you can trade them out for plastic straws, great. I probably won't be trading them out. I probably won't be carrying these around with me to restaurants and whatnot. I'll still use the other ones. That's just being real. But I thought I would give this a try and see how I use them at home, see how it feels, because I know it's going to be really hard. So it's bamboo. We'll see what happens. All right, beauties, that is everything I got from my Grove. I will put a link down below if you have not tried Grove yet. It's really cool. It's like a subscription, and they always are giving you free stuff with your purchases. And then I'll put a link down below with it. The link will have the code already in there so that you guys could try Grove for free as well. Alrighty. Oh, I don't know if they'll try for free. It's either try for free or free with purchase. So sadly, I'm not remembering right now what that link was, but give it a try if you want to, and then you guys will get links and you can share them as well. And then when you do share them, you get free product. So more free product than normal. All right, that was my little spiel for Grove. I hope you guys like my unboxing, and I cannot wait to try. And we will see you soon. Bye!